Alright, I'm going to show you how to find the vertex by hand if you were not using a calculator or a graphing tool like Desmos of some sort. So first we would need to find the axis of symmetry first using the negative b over 2a formula. And I'll show you what that looks like again. Our negative b term is a negative 6, so to make it negative we would make it positive 6. Divided by 2 times a, we have an a of negative 3, which would leave us with 6 over negative 6, leaving us with an x of negative 1. Alright, now that we know our x, we need to know the y as well, and that will help us find our vertex. So what we do in that is we're going to go back into these original x's and plug in what we just saw for of negative 1 into those, and then it will give us an output of y, of what y equals. So let's go ahead and fill that in. Y is equal to negative 3, and instead of putting the x, we're going to put negative 1 squared minus 6 times negative 1 plus 4. Alright, let's do this math here. First, let's look at the exponent. Negative 1 times negative 1 makes it a positive 1. So now I'm looking at negative 3 times 1. And the negative 6 and the negative 1, turn that into a positive 6 plus 4. And then the negative 3 and the 1 multiply, giving me negative 3 plus 6 plus 4. I have 6 and 4 make 10, minus 3 give me 7. So y is equal to 7, and therefore my vertex is x of negative 1 and a y of 7.